Hello YouTubers, this is SDJR7F88 speaking with a review of the Hornby Blue Pullman train set. Now, I got this one a few years ago. It was on, I think I got it off of Amazon. I saw it on there, I was flicking through their website and I saw it for £79. And I was looking at the Class 47 because I was a bit confused by the image, as the Hornby Class 47, well the old one, which is the Virgin one in the railroad range at the moment, looks, well, it's not very detailed. It looks like it's almost on stilts because the bogies are way too high for, well, you know, to be realistic. But the picture they had of the model seemed to have a much lower bogie, well, more realistic size. And this was just after Hornby had bought out Lima. And sure enough, the 47 they had put in the train set was a Lima 47. But under the Hornby brand now, as you know. So yeah, I look at it and I read up on the. I have a Lima 47, and they're really powerful and well, they're pretty reasonable for detail for price. So I thought, well, I'll have a, and that train set was a brilliant price at £79. So I thought, well, it's a really nice livery, so I'll get it, sort of thing. So I ordered it up, and well, here it is. As you can see, here we got stunning detail at the front for you know, quite a basic 47, you know what I mean, like basic model. You can see there's no directional lighting, sadly, but you know, and there's no sprung buffers, but the detail is very good. I mean, the grille detail, although it's molded, still they've Lima, when they made it, because it is a Lima molding, seemed to do pretty well to make it look as 3D or see-through as possible, even though, well, obviously it's not. I mean, look at the fans. The fans look like they're actually under the grill, but really that's just all a moulded bit of plastic. And as you can see, the livery is very stunning. Well, sorry, I'm resting my hand on the building here because I can't get the camera any lower, but yeah, you can see it's in Blue Pullman livery, well, the modern Blue Pullman livery. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's the name plate there. It's very nice with a little crest above it. I'm not sure if you can probably see it. It's quite like sky blue. The nameplate sky blue with silver. Whoops! There goes the roof off the top of the coal thing. I'll put that back on. Yeah, the roof's well, yeah, it's quite bright colours, so you can't really, you know, kind of blends with the light. But as you can see, the detail on the bogies is much better than the Hornby 47. The old Hornby 47. This model is actually now in the railroad range. It's coming out, I'm not sure what livery it is, but it's another Rail Tour like livery. So yeah, that'll be available soon. As you can see, here's the Mark 1, no, not Mark 1, stupid me, Mark 2 coaches. As you can see, they're also Blue Pullman livery. Beautiful livery with the white windows, sort of based on like the original Blue Pullman, which Batman are making, you know, the 5-car, I think it's 5-car DMU, which used to run. Well, they ran on the Midland and on the Western region. They're two slightly different types though, I think. But yeah. So yeah, it's a really good train set. If you ever find one second hand, because I don't think they make them, well, they don't make it anymore. So if you find one second hand, it's well worth getting it. Comes with a controller, overall track, and yeah, with a siding. Sorry about that, it's the van moving out on the driveway. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's get some shots of her going. This has been SDJR7F88 speaking, and thanks for watching.